Good morning. Today's we will discuss about the next topic in the chapter Heredity and Evolution is a speciation. Before go to know about the speciation, we have study about the what are the species. The definition of the species: a group of similar individuals, a group of organisms, a group of populations which have similar characteristic features. A group of organism which have similar characteristic features and capable interbreed with each other and capable interbreed with each other and producing fertile offspring. Offspring is known as species, such as a dog, a human beings, buffalo, cows, mosquito, flies, goat. These are the different kinds of species which are similar in characters and capable reproduce with each other and capable breed with each other and produce fertile offspring is known as species. And these are the different kinds of species present on the earth, such as different types of plants, different types of animals. The process by which the process by which new species are produced, the process by which new species are produced from pre-existing species. Existing species is known as speciation. In one line we can say formation of a new species. Formation of a new species is known as speciation, or the process by which the new species are produced from the pre-existing species, also known as another definition of speciation. So, what are the species? A group of similar individuals having similar characteristic features can be interbreed with each other and producing a fertile offspring is known as species. Formation of a species is known as speciation, or you can say the process by which the new species are produced from the pre-existing species is known as speciation. Now we will study about the how the new species are formed, how the new species will produced. The new species will produced are formed when the population are divided or splits are divided into two divided population are into two separate groups when any population having large numbers, they are divided or splits into two separate groups, and after the division two separate groups by the geographical barrier means these division occurs by the geographical barrier, such as you can say rivers, or you can say our defense line, or you can say by the mountains and ranges, and also by the sea. Listen carefully again. When any large population are divided or splits into two separate groups, by the geographical barriers such as river, mountain ranges as well as seas. These separation leads to the reproductive isolation. Reproductive isolation means they can be reproduced with each other in a isolated manner, and here these population will reproduce with each other, and here again these population reproduce with each other. They cannot meet means the exchange of genes here could not meet with each other, means there is no exchanges of gene because of the geographical barriers such as rivers by the seas are produced in between the two population, and they cannot meet with each other, they cannot reproduce with each other, they could not exchange to the genes in one population or separated population. After a millions years, in two population there are two process occurs. The first one is genetic drift, and second one is natural selection. You have learned about the natural selection, means any organism which can adapt their body structure according to environment, they are selected by the natures, and the process is known as natural selection, and the organism is known as natural selected organism. And the genetic drift means random change in a gene frequency, which our gene is located in a population, random changes such as by the epidemic change, any epidemic or any different type of disease which kills a number of population, we can say the genetic drift. Due to genetic drift and natural selection, these are the process involves in the formation of a new species, and later over the millions, after the millions years, these population have a different characteristic features and produce a different characteristic features. And here also the another population, in the another population genetic drift and natural selection also occurs, and they form a different type of characteristic features according to the environment. Here is the another environment, here another species or group of species, group of population have another environment. So genetic drift and natural selection takes place, and both the population have evolved a different type of characteristic features, and finally over the millions years a new characteristic features, having a new characteristic features, the new organism will be produced. Here the new organism will be also produced. So these are the method by which the new organism or new species are produced. You can say in the geographical isolation of a population caused by various type of barriers, in a geographical isolation, the two populations are divided by the barriers such as rivers and mountains. And second one is genetic drift and natural selection also involves in drastic change in the frequency of a particular population. And finally, variation of the individuals stimulate the producing of a new species. So these are the process of the speciation. Thank you.